Okay. Hey, so I've been working on something very special for a couple months now. Something very near and dear to my heart. This is my baby. I'm so happy to announce that I'm launching my own ebook today, and make sure you get it. It's literally a step-by-step guide on how to accomplish your makeup. Look at me. I wrote this ebook because I wanted this to serve as an outlet for women who are struggling with their makeup, or just people who want to, you know, get better with their makeup. So it's a step-by-step guide from beginning to end. If you don't even know what products to get, the ebook has everything you need. Whether if you have oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, we have a list of products for your specific skin type. So this book is it's very informative. So the beauty blueprint is available through the link in my bio, and it's only $25, and it's an investment. It's an investment into yourself. It's an investment to, elevate your makeup game, because how bad do you want it? How bad do you want it? Do you want your makeup to separate? Do you want your makeup not to last all day? I don't think anyone does. So, that's why I have my ebook for an affordable price. And thank you to those that have been supporting me over the years. King of the Bee is going to continue to grow, so I love you all. Thank you for watching. And make sure you buy the beauty blueprint if you want your face to look like this. All right, bye.